Hi there, and welcome to the Manifestors Circle, where we post daily lessons, stories, and insights on the law of attraction and manifestation, and how you can use them as a skill to live out the life of your dreams. In this video, we'll dive into the idea of manifestation and the law of attraction. We'll discover how our thoughts shape our reality and the impact of letting go, trusting the universe, and avoiding too much thinking. We'll also advise on swapping negative thoughts for positive ones, and how a positive mindset can lead to manifestation. Before we start, let's explore what it means to manifest something. Manifestation is the process of bringing your desires and goals into physical reality. It involves using the power of your thoughts, feelings, and actions to align with your intentions and attract the things you want in life. You might have heard of the law of attraction. It's a universal rule that says what you focus on, you attract. So focusing on positive thoughts and feelings will bring positivity into your life, and vice versa. Your thoughts play a considerable role in manifestation because they create the energy that attracts the experiences and outcomes you want. Your thoughts are the seeds you plant, and they will grow into reality. If you sow positive thoughts, you will reap positive results. If you plant negative thoughts, you will reap negative results. But what if you desire positive results and find yourself in a negative mood or can't seem to break free from feeling overwhelmed or disempowered? Many people have limiting beliefs that hold them back from manifesting their desires. These beliefs can be deeply ingrained in our subconscious, and it can be challenging to remove them. Identifying and replacing these beliefs with positive ones is essential for manifestation. First, identify the negative thought patterns that pop up throughout the day. Becoming aware of these thoughts is crucial. Second, identify any truths to these thoughts. For example, let's say you want to manifest money into your bank account, but you find yourself thinking that you're bad at managing money. You may have been bad at managing money in the past, but the past is not your future. It's time to release that negative and limiting belief so you can make room for wealth and sound money management into your future. To replace limiting beliefs with positive ones, you can use affirmations, visualization, and self-reflection. Affirmations are positive statements you repeat to yourself to reinforce a new, empowering belief. Visualization involves imagining yourself already having achieved your goal, which can help to achieve a positive mindset. Finally, self-reflection involves examining your thoughts and beliefs to identify limiting patterns and replace them with positive ones. It's crucial to let go, trust the universe, and avoid overthinking when manifesting. Overthinking can lead to imbalance, frustration, and a desire to rush the process. When you let go and trust the universe, you allow yourself to be open to new possibilities. As a result, the universe will bring you experiences and outcomes. Emotions play a significant role in manifesting your desires. Emotions are the fuel that drives the manifestation. The stronger emotion, the more powerful the manifestation. It's important to cultivate positive emotions and minimize negative ones. One of the most popular desires people want to manifest is abundance. Abundance refers to having more than enough of everything, including money, relationships, health, and happiness. To manifest abundance, you need to focus on feelings of gratitude and abundance and let go of limiting beliefs around scarcity. While positive thinking and emotions are essential for manifestation, taking action is also important. You need to take concrete steps towards your goals and believe you can achieve them. Positive thinking, emotions, and action will help manifest your desires. By harnessing the power of positive thinking and emotions, you can align your actions to your desires and bring them into physical reality. Remember to focus on positive thoughts, feelings, and actions, and to let go of limiting beliefs and overthinking. You can manifest abundance and happiness in all areas of your life with persistence and patience. That's it for today's video. We hope you found it informative and inspiring. If you find this video helpful, please like and share it with your friends and family. Thank you for tuning in. Subscribe for more daily lessons on manifestation and the law of attraction from the Manifestors Circle.